Hi guys, Simon here, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a song by CCR, or aka Creedence Clearwater Revival. This one is called Have You Ever Seen the Rain? The chords you're going to need are A minor, F, C and G. That's it, 4 chords, so we'll give it a go. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day, and I know shining down like water. Oh no, have you ever seen the rain? Oh no, have you ever seen the rain? It's coming down on a sunny day. It's the day of days before, so it's cold and rain is hard, and I know been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know it can't stop. I wonder, oh no, have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Coming down on a sunny day. There we go. Have you ever seen the rain by Creedence Clearwater Revival? Yeah, it's quite difficult to reach those high notes. Well, it depends what sort of voice you've got, I suppose. It's about the limits of my range currently. I don't know whether practicing more will improve my voice, or whether I'm just stuck with this shocking voice, but we'll keep practicing. It's not miles and miles and miles out of tune, I don't think. I'm not completely tone deaf, but yeah, just needs more practice, but that's why we're here. So keep practicing, keep loving the journey, keep having fun. That's the most important thing. Keep having fun, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one. Take care, look after yourselves.